Welcome, Jelly Beans. Today we're going to be doing a moon look with some paper that I've pre-painted. The first step in this look, as always, is to paint yourself your base color. Today we are going to be white, like the moon, of course. And then we're going to go ahead and go in with some gray and start painting some spots. Only on half the face though. The other half I want it to kind of be really contoured and sort of chiseled. Kind of like a geisha. I think I said that right. I don't know if I said that right. If I didn't, I'm sorry. And then I'm going to go in and set with eyeshadows and then just going around those holes with some gray, and then we went around the holes again with some white, and we'll just keep shading until you feel comfortable with the amount of shade that you have provided yourself. Then I'm going to go in with the eye, and I'm going to really do a dark, super smoky black eye. There it is. We're going to add some silver glitter underneath it because I love silver glitter. It makes everything better. We attached our little pieces with some glue, and this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Also added silver spray to the chest. Have a good day. Bye.